Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add your YouTube shorts to your channel. Uploading shorts to your YouTube channel is easy and doing it in the right way can help boost your reach. So let's go step by step. The first step is to open YouTube Studio. And to do that, just visit. Now I'm using my mobile device for this tutorial, so I'm just gonna tell you the steps you're gonna need to do on your computer and listen carefully to them and recreate them on your PC, and you should be able to add YouTube shorts to your channel in no time. Now the first step, as I said, is to open YouTube Studio, and to do that just visit studio.youtube.com and click on create. It should be under the camera icon, and then click on upload video. After that, select your YouTube short video, choose a vertical video with an aspect ratio 9:16 under 60 seconds, and add a catchy title including the word shorts to optimize for short feed. After that, add details and tags and write a compelling description with relevant hashtags, and select thumbnails or upload a custom one. And for the fourth final step, set visibility and publish. And to do that, just choose public or schedule for later and click on publish, and your shorts will now appear on your channel. For other tips, use engaging captions and music to attract viewers, and check for YouTube's analytics to track shorts performance, and post in optimal times when your audience are most active. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you add YouTube shorts to your channel. It's very easy and very simple if you follow the instructions I told you. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.